Hello viewers, today I showing LCD display. LCD display show Arduino ohm meter. That's mean I use Arduino programming. The display show the value of resistor. That's why I say this is Arduino ohm meter. Show LED display, LCD display. This program is needed LCD display and Arduino board, project board and resistor. I need some resistor as different value and one variable resistor. First I connected variable resistor. Variable resistor connect. The variable resistor has three terminals. Number C is ground terminal. And number A, first terminal is VCC, supply voltage, and number 2 is output terminal. The output terminal connected LCD display. Connected number 2 VDD, pin name is VDD, serial number 2, and the ground terminal connect ground to terminal is connected pin number 1. Pin number 5. Pin number 4 is connect to digital pin, Arduino board, digital pin number 2. And pin number 6 is connected pin number 3, digital pin, Arduino board, pin number 3. And LCD display pin 15 and 16. The terminal is VCC and ground. 15 VCC and 16 ground. Connect. LCD display pin number D4, D5, D6 and D7, 4 terminal is connected Arduino board. D7 connected pin number 7. Okay, now I set a resistor and positive terminal and this is negative terminal, and this terminal is signal in Arduino board. analog pin A0 connected, and this terminal is connected. The register value, that's why I show the register value, the LCD display. I change this register and show different value. Now I supply voltage. Okay, now I connected 220 ohm resistor and display show 235/33. This vary is for tolerance. Now I change the resistor. This resistor is 100 ohm resistor. Now I set 100 kilo resistor, 100 kilo. The display show 944. Some value is lost, but this value is 100 kilo ohm. Now I change the resistor and set only 100 ohm resistor. Now I set 330 ohm resistor, but display show 370. This is ohm meter for use Arduino programming.